Okay. Start every video with okay. This is the 84 Cowpie Trans. I wanted to point out that the dogs on that gear face, the taper part faces to the rear on those. So to make sure to get it on the right way. I can see now that the fourth gear has a bad gear, and also noticed that the shaft is kind of not looking as good as it could right there. So I had to put the trans back together to get this nut loose, and then this nut lock comes off next, and then out comes this gear set. You pull the shaft, and really takes two hands to get down in there. Let's see if I can get it with one. There it is. That set comes out as one complete unit, and then it's this set, and I believe for this set you gotta probably hit it with a mallet or do a little pressing on it. So we'll see. I'll come back shortly and check it.